ওকে, তা সে কান্না করছিল। হি ওয়াজ হি ওয়াজ ক্রাইং, সে কান্না করছিল,
তাই
তাই আমি তাকে যেতে দিয়েছিলাম। সো আই আই লেট হিম গো। সে কান্না করছিল তাই আমি তাকে যেতে দিয়েছিলাম। তাহলে আবার পড়ি তো, ওয়াই ডিড ইউ লেট হিম গো?
why did you let him go? He
ওয়াসিম
was
ভাই।
crying,
হ্যাঁ,
so I let him go.
again please, why did you let him go?
He was crying, so I let him go.
ওয়াসিম ভাই বলেন তো, why did you let him go? He was crying, so I let him go. ওয়াসিম ভাই আনমিউট করেন, সবাই আনমিউট করেন
সরি স্যার, আমি
এভরিবডি
এখান থেকে বলতেছি বারবার, কিন্তু আপনারা শুনতেছেন না।
ওকে।
হি ওয়াজ ক্রাইং, সো আই লেট হিম গো। হি ওয়াজ
এই
ক্রাইং, সো আই লেট
এমডি
হিম গো।
হাসিব, জুই, আয়েশা, আয়েশা কেমন আছো? মুনিরা।
স্যার ভালো আছে, আপনি ভালো আছেন?
হ্যাঁ আছি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। যারা মানে স্ক্রিনে আসতে পারা উচিত, একটু হিজাব টিজাব পরে যেভাবে ক্লাসে আসো এইভাবে, তাহলে একটু ক্লাস ক্লাস মনে হবে আর কি। ঠিক আছে, ওইভাবে প্রস্তুতি নিয়ে আসবা, পড়তে ভালো লাগবে। না হলে ওই শুয়ে বসে স্ক্রিন অফ করে এভাবে পড়া আসবে না। ওকে, আচ্ছা প্রথমটা আবার বলি তো একটু প্লিজ।
হোয়াই ডিড ইউ লেট হিম গো? হোয়াই ডিড ইউ
Why
লেট
did
হিম
you
গো?
let
হি
him
ওয়াজ ক্রাইং,
go?
সো আই লেট হিম
He was
গো।
crying, so I
হ্যাঁ,
let
হোয়াই
him
ডিড ইউ
go.
লেট হিম গো? হি ওয়াজ
Why,
ক্রাইং, সো আই লেট হিম
Crying
গো।
or let him go?
আচ্ছা তুমি
why did
তাকে,
you let him
ওকে
go?
ওকে, তুমি তাকে মোবাইল কেন ইউজ করতে দিয়েছিলে? মানে তুমি তাকে মোবাইল কেন ব্যবহার করতে দিয়েছিলে? ওয়াই
Why did
ডিড ইউ
you
লেট হিম
let
লেট হিম
ইউজ
ইউজ
Mobile,
use
মোবাইল,
ইউজ দা
ইউজ দ্য
mobile?
মোবাইল।
mobile,
মোবাইল?
mobile phone.
হ্যাঁ, কাউকে কোনো
কি
কিছু
হতো
করতে
দা?
দেয়া, হ্যাঁ সেটা হচ্ছে লেট। তাহলে হোয়াই ডিড ইউ লেট হিম ইউজ দা মোবাইল ফোন?
মোবাইল,
জাস্ট
হোয়াই
মোবাইল।
ডিড ইউ লেট
ওকে,
হিম লেট
হ্যাঁ
হিম ইউজ
প্লিজ
দ্য মোবাইল?
একটু পড়ে নেই। হোয়াই
হোয়াই
ডিড
ডিড ইউ
ইউ
লেট হিম হোয়াই ডিড ইউ লেট হিম
Why
ইউজ দ্য
did you
মোবাইল?
let use the mobile?
হোয়াই ডিড ইউ লেট হিম ইউজ দা মোবাইল? এগেন আবার পড়ে নি তো।
Why did you let him use
Why
the
did you
mobile?
let him use the mobile? Why did you let
Why did
him
you
use
let
the
him
mobile?
use the mobile? Why did you let him use the mobile? Why did you
Why
let
did
him
you?
use the mobile?
আচ্ছা, আমি তাকে মোবাইল ব্যবহার করতে দিইনি, আমি দিইনি।
I didn't
I
আই
use.
didn't
I didn't let him
নাইস, আই ডিডন্ট লেট হিম ইউজ ইট।
Him
আমি
use
তাকে
it.
আমি তাকে এটা ব্যবহার করতে দিইনি, সে আমার
I
অগোচরে
didn't
ব্যবহার করেছিল।
I
সে
didn't
আমার
let him
অগোচরে, হি
use
gently.
use
ইউজড ইট,
He,
use
it
হি ইউজড
be-
ইট।
he
কি হবে?
behind me.
বিহাইন্ড মাই
behind
ব্যাক।
behind
behind my back.
Behind or behind, both are correct. You can pronounce both.
my
Okay.
my back.
হ্যাঁ, my back মানে
Behind.
অগোচরে। So I didn't let him use it. আমি তাকে এটা ব্যবহার করতে দিইনি। He used it
He
behind my
used
back.
it behind my back.
প্লিজ এটা একটু
Behind
পড়ে
my
নেই,
back.
ভালো করে একটু পড়ে নেই প্লিজ
I
প্লিজ।
didn't let him use it. I didn't let him use it. He used it behind
I
me, behind
didn't
my
let
back. He used
mobile.
it
I
behind my back.
didn't let him use
Why
it.
did you let him
I
go? He
didn't
was crying, so I let
behind
him
my
go.
back.
Why did you let him
Go.
use the mobile? I didn't
Use
let him use it.
let
He used
the move.
it
I
behind
did.
my back.
I did. My back.
I didn't let him use it. He used it behind my back.
আচ্ছা,
Did you let him go? He was crying, so I let him go.
Why
ওকে
did you let him use the mobile?
ওকে, ডান ডান,
I
পারবো
did use it, he said. He
পারবো।
my back. Inshallah.
ওকে,
Inshallah.
থার্ড ওয়ান, তুমি তাকে
Inshallah.
বিকেলে বিকেলে খেলতে দাওনি কেন? তুমি তাকে বিকেলে খেলতে
What
দাওনি কেন?
Why
did
Why
Why
you
did you
didn't
did you
why did
didn't
didn't
did you
You
let
didn't
him
let him play
play evening.
in
Play
the
in
in the
the
evening,
afternoon.
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 In the afternoon. তুমি তাকে বিকেলে খেলতে
Didn't
দাও না কেন? Why didn't you
Why
let him play?
didn't you let him play
Why
in the
didn't you let
afternoon? Why
in the
didn't you
afternoon?
let him
Why
play in
why
the
didn't you
afternoon?
let in the
Why
afternoon?
didn't you let him
You
Why
play
didn't
in the
you let
afternoon?
him play in the afternoon?
Again, please.
Why
Why
didn't
didn't
you let
you
him
let
play
him
in the
play
afternoon?
in the
Why
afternoon?
didn't you let
Why
him play
didn't
in
you
the afternoon?
let him
Why
play in
didn't
the
you
afternoon?
let him play in the afternoon?
Why
Why didn't
didn't
you
you
let
let
him
him
play in the
play in
afternoon?
the afternoon?
Why
the
didn't
afternoon?
you let him play in the afternoon?
Why didn't you let him play in the afternoon?
Okay. ঠিক আছে। সে যদি বিকেলে না ঘুমায় সে রাতে পড়তে পারে না, তাই আমি তাকে খেলতে দিইনি। সে যদি বিকেলে না ঘুমায় সে রাতে পড়তে পারে না, তাই আমি তাকে খেলতে দিইনি। তাহলে কি হবে?
You
If
didn't, if he
if he
does
does
not
sleep
sleep
Doesn't
at
sleep
at afternoon,
বিকেলে, না না, in
Doesn't sleep
in the afternoon,
afternoon.
in the
afternoon,
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 The afternoon.
হ্যাঁ, সে রাতে পড়তে পারে না। He cannot
He
not
not
read
read,
study
he can
study
study
in
at
night,
night.
at
at
night.
at night,
night.
তাই আমি তাকে খেলতে দিইনি। So
So
I
I didn't,
হ্যাঁ,
so I
didn't
didn't let him play in the afternoon.
in the
Afternoon.
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 ওকে, নাইস, প্লিজ। হ্যাঁ, পড়তে থাকি একটু প্লিজ, পুরোটা একটু
Why
পড়ে।
didn't
Why
you let
didn't
him
you
play
let
in
him
the
play
afternoon?
in the afternoon?
If
If
he
he
does not sleep in the
doesn't
afternoon, he cannot study at
doesn't
night.
sleep
So
in
I
the
didn't
afternoon,
let him play in the afternoon.
cannot
again
study at
If he
ভালো
does
night,
not
so
sleep
ভালো
I
করে
in the
একটু পড়বে।
afternoon,
হ্যাঁ,
in the
if he
afternoon.
does not
হুম
Why
sleep in the
didn't
afternoon, he
you
cannot
let
study
him
at
play
night.
in the
So I
afternoon?
didn't
If
let
he
him play in
doesn't
the afternoon.
in the afternoon,
Why
he
didn't
cannot
you let him play in the
study
afternoon?
at night, so I
If he
didn't
does not, if he
let him
doesn't,
play
if
in
he
the afternoon.
doesn't sleep in the afternoon, he cannot study at night. So I didn't let him play in the afternoon.
ওকে,
The afternoon.
পারবো?
Not study at. So I didn't let him play in the afternoon.
বুঝতে পেরেছি
Why
এগুলো?
didn't?
বোঝা যাচ্ছে?
জি স্যার, বোঝা
Yes, sir.
যাচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা, একটু রিসিভ করতে হবে, দেন স্টোর করতে হবে, এরপর ডেলিভার করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে?
জি স্যার।
ওকে, আচ্ছা, তুমি তাকে কেন ঠান্ডা জুস খেতে দিয়েছিলে? কিভাবে হবে?
Why?
Why
Did
Why
did
did
you
did
did
you
you let
He
him
let
let
him
let to
drink
eat cold
drink
him
drink
cold
cold juice?
drink cold
juice?
juice?
তুমি
cold
তাকে
juice?
কেন ঠান্ডা
Juice.
জুস খেতে দিয়েছিলে? বলি তো, কয়েকবার বলি।
Why did you let him drink cold juice? Why did you
Cold
let
juice.
him
Why
drink
did you
cold
let
juice?
him
Why did you let him drink
cold
cold juice? Why did you
Cold
let
juice.
him drink cold juice? Why did you let him? Why did you let him drink cold juice? Why did you let
Why
him
did
drink
you
cold juice? Why did you let him drink cold juice? Why did you let him drink cold juice? Why did you let him drink cold juice?
পারবা
Drink cold
এতটুকু?
juice.
ওকে,
জি স্যার।
তার তো ঠান্ডা লেগে গিয়েছে, তার তো ঠান্ডা লেগে গিয়েছে।
ঠান্ডা লেগে গেছে?
She
She
is already
Is
down
Cold.
with a cold.
down.
She is already
Down.
down with a cold. তার তো ঠান্ডা লেগে
Very down.
গিয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, বলেন, বলি তো, কয়েকবার বলি।
She is already down with a
With a
cold.
cold.
She's already down
She is
with a
already
cold.
down with a cold.
Already down with a cold.
She is already down with a cold. She is already down with a cold.
Already
She
down
is
with a
already
cold.
down with a cold.
down
She
with
is
a
already
cold.
down with a cold.
Already down with a cold.
She is already down with a cold. She is already
Already
down
down
with
with
a
a cold.
cold.
Already down with a cold.
She is already down with a cold. Why did you let him drink cold juice? She is already down with a cold.
পারবো?
Down
Yes,
with
sir.
a
ওকে, তোমার ছেলে কি কারো কথা শুনে? উত্তর দিচ্ছে আর কি, তোমার ছেলে কি কারো কথা শুনে? Does
Does
your
your
son
Your
does your
son
son
ever
hair
ever
anyone.
listen
ever
to
listen?
anyone?
Anyone.
স্যার এটা
হ্যাঁ।
সন হবে না, ডটার হবে।
Does your
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ডটা দিয়ে দিব।
জি,
তোমার
স্যার।
মেয়েরা আবার অখুশি হবে, মেয়েদের সংখ্যা তো এখানে বেশি। হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা
তাহলে ওখানে হি দিয়ে
Does
দেন
send to
প্রশ্নতে।
ওকে, এখানে হার হবে।
সমস্যা
হ্যাঁ,
He is already down with the cold. Okay. Does your daughter ever listen to anyone? তোমার মেয়ে কি কারো কথা
Does-
শুনে? বলেন তো, তোমার মেয়ে কি কারো কথা শুনে?
does your daughter ever listen to anyone?
daughter ever
Does your
listen
daughter
to
ever
anyone?
listen to
Does
anyone?
your daughter listen to
Does your
anyone?
daughter ever
Does
listen to
your
anyone?
daughter ever listen to
Does your
anyone?
daughter
Does
ever
your
listen to
daughter
anyone?
ever
Does your daughter
Does
ever
your
listen to
daughter
anyone?
listen to anyone?
Does your daughter ever
Does
listen to
your
anyone?
daughter ever listen to anyone?
Why did you let
listen to
Why did you let her drink cold juice? She's already down with a cold. Does your daughter ever listen to anyone?
আচ্ছা, আমি তাকে অনেকবার না করেছি, আমি তাকে অনেকবার নিষেধ করেছি, মানে এটা না করতে। তাহলে I have told her
Told
I
many times,
Many times.
many
বা I have told her so many times. Not
so many times.
not
I
to.
have told her
Not
many times
time.
I
not
have
to.
told her so many times not to. মানে not to
Not
do that. এই do that এটা বলা লাগবে না। I have told her so many times not to. মানে না করতে, না খেতে, না যেতে তাকে আমি অনেকবার নিষেধ করেছি। বলেন তো, why did you let
I
her
have
hold?
Why did you let
She
her
is already
drink
down
cold
with a
juice?
cold.
She is already down with a cold. Does your
Does your
daughter
daughter?
ever listen to
Does your
anyone?
daughter ever
I have
listen
told
to
her so
anyone?
many times not to.
Told her
Hmm.
I
so
have
many
told her
times.
so many times not to. I have told her so many times not to.
হ্যাঁ,
I have told her so many times
I
not
have
to.
told her
Does your
so many
daughter
times.
ever
I have told her so many
I have
times not
told
to.
her so many times not to.
আবার বলি,
Does your daughter ever listen to anyone? I have told her
Does
so many
does your
times
daughter
not to.
ever listen to anyone? I have
I
told
have
her
told
so
her
many
so
times
many
not to.
times not to.
আচ্ছা,
Does your
এখন
daughter
এখন তাকে আবার
times not to?
এখন তাকে আবার ঠান্ডা জুস খেতে দাও, সে বুঝুক কত জানে কত চাল।
Okay, sir.
Now
Now,
now
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 let her
let her
drink
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 juice, drink
drink
juice again.
whole
cold
juice
juice again.
again. Okay,
Let her drink now.
Drink
Let her drink cold juice again.
Now let her drink
Let her
cold
drink
juice
cold juice
again.
again. Now let her drink
Her
cold
drink
juice again.
cold juice
Does
again.
your daughter ever listen to anyone? I have told her so many times
Already
not to.
down
Now let
cold.
her drink cold
Does
juice
your daughter
again.
ever listen to anyone? I have told her so many times not to. Now let her drink cold juice again.
okay, আরেকবার পড়ি তো পুরোটা।
does
Why
your
did you
daughter
let her drink cold
Why
juice?
did you let her
She's
drink
already
cold
down
juice?
with a cold.
Cold.
Does your daughter
Does
ever
your
listen to
daughter
anyone?
ever listen to
I
anyone?
have told her so many times not to. Now let her drink cold juice again.
Cold juice again.
ওকে, নাইস, থ্যাংক ইউ। তোমার কি সমস্যা? তাকে কেন পড়তে দিচ্ছ না?
Second.
তোমার কি
What's your
সমস্যা?
problem?
What's
What
your
is what is your problem?
হ্যাঁ, হোয়াটস রং উইথ ইউ, ওটাও ঠিক আছে, WRO আনবে। রং,
wrong
issue?
with you?
হোয়াটস রং উইথ ইউ,
What's wrong?
কি সমস্যা তোমার? তুমি তাকে কেন পড়তে দিচ্ছ না? Why
Why?
aren't you letting him
Why
study?
What's wrong with you?
Aren't
Why
you
aren't
letting him
you
study?
letting
What's
him
wrong
study?
with you? What's wrong with you? Why
What's
aren't
wrong
you
with you?
letting
Why
him study?
Aren't you
Why
What's
letting
aren't
wrong
you?
with you? Why aren't you letting him study?
Again, please.
What's
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 wrong
wrong
wrong?
with you?
What's wrong with you?
study?
Why
What's
aren't you
wrong with
letting
you?
him
Why aren't
study?
you letting him study?
What's
What's
wrong
wrong
with
with
you?
you?
Why aren't you
Why
letting
aren't you
him study? Letting him study? What's wrong with you? Why aren't you
What's
letting
wrong with
him
you? Why
study?
aren't you letting him study?
What's wrong with you? Why aren't you letting him study?
Why aren't you letting him study?
Study. পারবো?
Inshallah.
আচ্ছা,
Why aren't you?
সে আমাকে সকালে পড়তে দেয়নি, তাই আমি তাকেও এখন পড়তে দিব না। সে আমাকে সকালে পড়তে দেয়নি, তাহলে কি হবে?
Didn't
He
Didn't
didn't let me
Let
let
me study
study in
study
the
in
In the
morning. In the
morning.
morning.
So
So
তাই
so
I
so I
আমি দিব না, দিব না,
I cannot.
দিব না কি বর্তমান না ভবিষ্যৎ?
ভবিষ্যৎ
ভবিষ্যৎ। I
তাইলে
will.
উইল, হ্যাঁ, দিব না won't মানে will not, I won't
won't
let him
let him
study
study.
today.
study.
Today
Let him
কি
স্যার
বলছো?
এখানে
What's
do
wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why
বলেন
aren't
বলেন বলেন।
What's wrong with
So
you?
I
Why
won't
aren't you letting him
let
study?
him study in
He
the
didn't
morning?
ইলমা,
let me
ইলমা জানি
study
কি
in the
বলছিল?
morning.
স্যার স্যার আমি বলছিলাম
কে?
সুমাইয়া স্যার।
সুমাইয়া, হ্যাঁ কি বলো?
স্যার এখানে বলছি মানে উইলের পরিবর্তে যদি ডু দেই তাহলে কি হবে?
ডু দিলে হবে আমি তাকে পড়তে দিই না, মানে যেটা তুমি প্রতিদিন করো। যেমন আমি দিই না, আমি যাই না, আমি খাই না, প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট। আর এটা হচ্ছে ফিউচার ইনডিফিনিট, এটা হচ্ছে ফাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট। ঠিক আছে,
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
ওকে, একটু পড়ে নি। হোয়াটস রং উইথ ইউ? Why
What's
aren't
wrong
you
with you?
letting
Why
him
aren't
study?
you letting him study?
He didn't
What's
let
wrong
me
with
Study in the morning,
study
so I
So
won't
I won't
let him
you?
study
Didn't
today.
study in the morning, so I won't let him study today.
study in the morning,
You
so
didn't
I
let
won't
me.
let
You didn't let me
today.
study in the morning,
He
so I won't.
didn't let me
So I
study in
won't
the
let
morning,
him
so I
study today.
won't let him study today. He
পারবো?
didn't let
একটু
me
মজা করে
study
করে
today.
একটু একটু পড়তে হবে। পারবো ইনশাল্লাহ। কেন
ইনশাল্লাহ।
কেন তুমি তাকে লাঞ্চ করতে দাওনি আজকে? কেন তুমি
Why?
তাকে লাঞ্চ করতে দাওনি? Why
I
didn't you
didn't
let
let
him
let
eat
him
Eat our
lunch.
lunch today?
lunch.
কেন
today.
তুমি আজকে তাকে লাঞ্চ করতে দাওনি? বলেন তো।
Why? Why did
Why
did you
didn't
let
you
him eat lunch today?
eat
Why did
lunch
you let
today?
him eat lunch
Why
today?
didn't you
Why didn't
let
you let him
eat
eat
lunch
lunch
today?
today? Why
Why
didn't
didn't
you let him
let
eat
him
lunch
eat
today?
lunch today?
Why didn't you let him eat lunch today?
আবার
Why
বলে তো।
didn't you
Why
let
didn't you
him
let?
eat
Why
lunch
didn't
today?
you let
Why
him eat
didn't
lunch
you let
today?
him
Why
eat lunch
didn't you let
Why
him
didn't
eat
you
lunch
Why
today?
didn't you let him eat lunch
lunch
today?
today? Why didn't you let him eat lunch today? Why
ওকে,
didn't you let him lunch?
সে পানিশমেন্টের মধ্যে আছে। He is in
punishment.
পানিশমেন্ট। সে আজকে সকালে স্কুলে যায়নি।
He
ডিডেন্ট গো টু
go to school.
স্কুল টুডে।
School in school today.
আজ স্কুলে যায়নি, তাই আমি তাকে দুপুরে খেতে দিইনি। সো
So
আই
I
ডিডেন্ট
didn't
লেট হিম
let him
ইট
eat
লাঞ্চ
today.
today. ওকে, পড়ে নিই তো। Why didn't you let
Why
him eat lunch?
didn't you let him
Why
eat lunch
didn't you
today?
let him eat
Why
lunch
didn't you
today?
let him
He
eat lunch
is
today?
in
Why didn't you
punishment.
let
He
him eat
didn't
lunch
go to
today?
school
He is
today.
in punishment.
So I
He did
didn't
not go
you
to
let
the
him
school.
eat lunch
He did
today?
not go to
Why
school today.
didn't you let
So I
him
did
eat
not.
lunch
So
today?
I didn't
He
let
is
him
in
eat lunch
punishment.
today.
He didn't
He is
to
in.
go to
He is in
school today.
punishment. He
So I
didn't go
didn't
to
let him
school
eat lunch
today.
today.
So I didn't
Why
let him
didn't
eat
you
lunch
let
today.
him eat lunch today? He is in punishment. He didn't go to school today. So I didn't let him eat lunch today.
আবার বলি তো।
Didn't you
Why
Why
didn't
didn't you let him eat lunch today? He is in
punishment.
punishment. He did not go to school today. So I didn't let
So
him
I
eat
didn't
lunch
let
today.
him eat lunch today.
ওকে, তুমি কি
Why
তাকে
didn't you
তুমি
let us today? He is punishment. He goes to school today, so I didn't let him eat lunch
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা, তুমি কি তাকে কথা বলতে দিয়েছিলে? তুমি কি তাকে কথা বলার সুযোগ দিয়েছিলে? কি হবে?
What
You
What
Did you
did you
let
let
him
her বা him speak?
speak?
Did you let her
Oh,
speak?
let her
তুমি কি তাকে
speak?
কথা বলার
Let
সুযোগ
her-
দিয়েছিলে বা কথা বলতে দিয়েছিলে? পড়ি তো, did you let her speak?
Did you let her
Let-
speak? Did you let her speak? Did you let her
did you
speak?
let her did
Did
you
you
let
let
her
her
speak?
speak?
Did
Did
you
you
let
let
her
her
speak?
speak? Did you let
you
her
let-
speak?
হুম,
Did you
Did you
let
let
her
her
speak?
speak? Did you let her speak? Did you let her speak?
না, আমি তাকে কথা বলার সুযোগ দিইনি। No,
No.
No,
I
I did not.
didn't
I didn't let her speak.
let her
her
I
Speak.
didn't let her
Speak.
speak. আমি তাকে
No,
কথা
I
বলতে
didn't
দিইনি। অথবা
No,
I didn't give him any chance to speak. যদি আমরা এভাবে বলি, I didn't
I didn't
give him, give her
give
any
her
chance
chance
to
to speak.
ঠিক আছে?
Isha.
হ্যাঁ,
না কেন কেন ভুল হবে না উপরে দিয়ে আর শুনতে সম্ভব না
ওকে। I didn't give her any chance to speak. বলি তো আবার,
I didn't
didn't you let her? Didn't you let her?
do you let her speak? Did you let her
Do
speak?
you
Did you let
Did you
her
let
speak?
her
No,
speak?
I didn't let her speak. I didn't let her speak.
But I didn't
didn't
give
I
her
didn't-
any chance to speak.
I didn't give her any chance.
No, I didn't.
I didn't let her
I didn't let her speak. I didn't let her speak. I didn't give her any chance to speak.
সে নিজে
I
নিজেই
didn't-
বক বক
No, I
করা
didn't
শুরু করেছিল।
speak.
সে নিজে নিজেই
Didn't
বক বক করা
her
শুরু করেছিল।
chance to give her any chance.
He
সে নিজে নিজেই বক বক করা শুরু করেছিল। She শুরু করেছিল, started
started
babbling. babbling মানে হচ্ছে babble মানে হচ্ছে বিড়বিড় করা, বড় বড় করা, বক বক করা, বারবার বলা। She started babbling on her own. সে নিজে নিজেই বক বক করা শুরু করেছিল।
Her
ওকে, পড়ে নিত পুরোটা। Did you let her speak?
Did you let her speak? No, I
Did
did
you
not
let
let
her
her
speak?
speak.
No,
I didn't let her speak. I
let
didn't
her
give
speak.
her
I didn't
any
give
chance to
her
speak.
any
She
chance
started
to
babbling
speak.
on her own.
Babbling on her own.
She started babbling on her own.
I speak? No, I didn't let her speak. I didn't give
Did
Her
you let
speak?
her
No, I
speak?
didn't
No, I didn't let her
speak.
speak.
I
I
didn't
didn't give
give
her
her
any chance to
any
speak.
chance to
She
speak.
started
She
babbling on
started
her own.
babbling on her own.
ওকে
her own.
পারবো
চলো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ কেন সে তার বাচ্চাদের এত রাতে বাহিরে খেলতে দিয়েছিল
Why
Why
she
why did
Why did she?
Why did she?
কতক্ষণের মধ্যে শেষ হবে এটা
10 মিনিট 9 মিনিট
9 মিনিট ওকে কেন সে তার বাচ্চাদের এত রাতে বাহিরে খেলতে দিয়েছিল why did she
Why did she
let
let
her
her
তাদের kids
kids
কি করতে দিয়েছিল প্লে খেলতে
playing
কোথায়
play
at
বাহিরে
আউটসাইড
outside
এত রাতে
out
সো
Night.
লেট
so late night
সো লেট মানে রাতে বোঝাচ্ছে আর কি
so late?
হ্যাঁ why did she let her kids play outside
play
so
outside so late
হ্যাঁ কয়েকবার পড়ি সে কেন এত
Why?
রাতে তার বাচ্চাদের বাহিরে খেলতে দিয়েছিল
Why
But-
did she let her kids
Why
play
did
outside so late
যদি বলি
Why
Why
তুমি
did she let
হ্যাঁ
her kids play outside so late
হ্যাঁ
Why
পড়ি
did she let her kids play outside so late Why did she let her kids play outside so late Why did she let her kids play outside so late
Let
Let
her
her
kids outside
outside
so late?
পড়েছি
Why did she let play outside so
তারা কি
late?
তাদের মায়ের কথা কখনো শুনে তারা কি তাদের মায়ের কথা কখনো শুনে কি হবে
They are
ডু প্রশ্ন
do
ডু
they do they
কখনো এভার ডু দে এভার
do
লিসেন
they ever listen
টু
to
দেয়ার
Mother.
মম
their mother mom
ডু দে এভার লিসেন টু দেয়ার মম তারা কি তাদের মায়ের কথা
they-
কখনো শুনে
do
বলেন
they
তো?
ever listen to their
Do
mom
they ever listen
Do
to
they
their mom?
do they ever listen to their
To their
mom?
mom, হ্যাঁ
Do they ever listen to their mom?
Do
Hmm.
they ever
Do
listen
they
to
ever
their
listen
mom?
to their
Do
mom?
they ever
Hmm.
listen to their mom?
Do they ever
they-
listen to their
Or
mom?
listen to their mom? Do
They-
they
বলেন।
ever listen to their mom?
Do they ever listen to their mom? Why did she let her
Do
kids
they
play
ever-
outside so late? Do they ever listen to their mom?
ডু দে এভার লিসেন
Why did
Do they ever listen to their mom?
do they
তিনি
ever listen to their mom?
অনেকবার তাদের না যেতে বলেছিলেন অনেকবার তাদের না যেতে বলেছিলেন she
She
have
she
She
had told
so
Have
many times
time
not to go
not to go. She had
She had
told
told
she
so
had
many
told-
times
she
not
had
to go.
told so many times not to go. She
She
had
had
told so many
so many
times
times
not to
not
go.
to go.
She had told
She had
so many
told
times
so
not to go.
many times not to
Do
go.
they ever
She had
listen?
told
Do they ever listen to their mom? She had told
Do
so many
they
times
ever
not to
listen
go.
to
She
their
had
mom?
told so
She
many
had
times.
told so
She
many
had told
times
so many
not to
times
go.
not to go. Why did she let her kids play outside so
She
late?
have
Do they ever
Do
She-
they
listen
ever
Sorry.
to their
listen to
mom?
their
She
had
has
told-
হবে
her kids.
she
She
has
has
হবে
told.
হ্যাঁ she
She
have
has
না she
told.
has
has.
হ্যাঁ।
She has told so
has
many
told
times not to
me
go.
times not to go.
She has told so many times not to go.
Has told me
পারবো
so
এতটুকু
many times not to
ইনশাল্লাহ
go.
আচ্ছা কে শুনে কার কথা বিরক্ত হয়ে বলি না কে শুনে কার কথা who listens who listens to anyone
Who listens to anyone?
Anyone?
Who listens to
হ্যাঁ
anyone? Who
To
listens to anyone?
Who listens to anyone?
exclamation mark exclamation mark কে শুনে কার কথা
Who listens to anyone?
who listens to
Listens
anyone
to anyone?
who listens to anyone কে শুনে কার কথা ওকে, পড়ে নিত আবার পুরোটা ভালো করে একটু প্লিজ।
Why did she let
Why
her
did
kids
she
play outside
Why
so
did
late?
she let her
play
kids play
outside so
outside so
late?
late?
জুই,
Do
Do
they
you,
ever
সামি
listen
do you
ইসলাম,
ever listen
জুই
to their
এবং সামি
home?
ইসলাম,
Do they ever
তোমরা
listen
আনমিউট
to
করো।
their? She has told so many times not to
Not
go
to go
to listen to
to
anyone.
listen to anyone.
নুসরাত জাহান সাজমি, আনমিউট করো, পড়ো প্লিজ।
So like,
Why
do
do
they
they
ever
ever let her kids
They ever
play
listen to their
outside
mom.
so late?
She has told
Do
so
they
many
ever
times
listen
not
to
to
their
go
mom? She has
to
to
listen
told
to
anyone?
anyone.
so many times not to go.
Why
So
did she let
listen,
her play outside so
listen to
late?
anyone.
Do
ভালো
they
করে
ever
একটু
listen
পড়ি
to
প্লিজ,
their mom?
মনোযোগ
She
দিয়ে
has told so
একটু
many
মজা করে
times
পড়ি, কাউকে
Why
প্রশ্ন
did
করছি সেটা প্রশ্নের মতো করেই বলি,
listens to
আনসার দেওয়ার
anyone?
সময়
why
এখানে
did
বিরক্তি
she
প্রকাশ করা
let
সেটা
her
ওভাবেই
kids
বলি।
play outside so late?
Her
Do they ever
listening to
listen to their mom?
she
She has told so many times not to go or listen to anyone.
listens to anyone.
পারা যাবে?
Inshallah,
Inshallah,
fine.
sir.
তুমি তাদেরকে কেন পার্টিতে যেতে দিয়েছিলে? তুমি তাদেরকে কেন পার্টিতে
What is
Why,
Why
Why
did
did
let
you let
তাদেরকে
their
them,
them
them
এখানে
go?
অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম বসবে, মনে রাখবা। এই যে লেটের
Why
পরে
did you let them
অবজেক্ট, let them go কোথায়?
why
go to party?
The party.
to
the
the
party?
Okay, why did you let them go to the
Why did you
party?
let? Why did you let them go to
Why
the
did
party?
you
Why
let
did you
them
let them
go
go
to
to
the
the party?
party?
Why did you
Why
let them
did
go to
you
the party?
let them
Why
go
did
to
you
the
let them
party?
go to the party?
Why
Why
did
did you
you
let them go to
go
the
you
to
party?
the
let them go
party? Why
Why
did
did
you
you
let
let them
them
go to the
go to
party?
the party?
party?
Why did you let them go to the party?
হ্যাঁ, পারবো? ওকে, এখন 12টা বাজে, এখন
why did you let him
It's
go to
12
the party? Why
12
did
AM. It's 12
go
AM.
to the party? It's
তাদের আসার কোনো নামগন্ধ নেই, তাদের আসার কোনো নামগন্ধ নেই। এখন নাম ইংরেজি নেম, গন্ধ ইংরেজি কি? অজিউর এগুলো আসবে। তাদের আসার কোনো নামগন্ধ নেই। There is no
There
sign
is no,
of
there is no sign of
There
coming
is
back.
no
of
coming back.
There is no
Why
sign
Why
of
did you
them
let them
coming.
coming
Sign
back?
of
sign
coming back.
হ্যাঁ, মানে
Why
এটা
did you
মানে
let
তাদের
them
কোনো
go to the
নামগন্ধ
party?
নেই, ঠিক আছে?
It's
Hmm.
12
of
here.
them.
There is no sign of them coming
There
back.
is no
There is
sign
no
of
sign
them
of them
coming back.
coming
There
back.
is
there is
no
no
Why
sign
did
of
you
them.
let them go to the party?
Why did you
It's
let them go to the party?
it's
It's
There
12
there
a.m.
it's
no sign
There
of
is
12
no
here. There is
sign
no
of
sign
them
of them coming
coming back.
back.
there is no
Let him go to the party. It's
Go to the party. It's 12 a.m. There is no
It's-
sign of them coming back.
of them coming back. There is no sign of them coming back.
ওকে, তারা
There is no
বলেছিল তারা 10টার মধ্যেই বাসায় ফিরবে। তারা বলেছিল, তারা
They
বলেছিল,
They was
say
said,
they said
they
they said
they said they would,
said they
would
said
be,
that would be
they said
coming.
they would be
this
coming
home,
home.
10 বাসায়
Would be home.
home
10টার মধ্যে by
by
10
10
p.m.
a.m.
10
p.m.
হ্যাঁ, they said they
said
would
they
be,
would be home by 10
they
p.m.
said they would be home by 10 p.m.
10
পড়ো
10
তো।
p.m.
They
They
said they would be home by 10
home by
p.m.
10 p.m.
They said they
said
would
they
be
would
home by 10
home
p.m.
by 10 p.m.
They said they would be home by 10 p.m.
they would be
They
home
said
They
they
by
would be
10
home
p.m.
by
would be
10
home by 10 p.m.
Home by 10 p.m.
Home
a.m.
by
There
10
is
p.m.
তারা
no
বলেছিল, they said they would be home
said
by 10
they
p.m.
said they would be home by 10 p.m.
ওকে,
They said
যদি যদি আমি আগে জানতাম আমি কি তাদের যেতে দিতাম? যদি
If
আমি
I
আগে জানতাম, if
I know
if I knew
If I had
If
known,
Go.
if I had known that,
That.
যদি এটা আমি আগে জানতাম, if I had known, sorry, had known that,
I know that.
আমি কি
that
তাদের
if I-
যেতে দিতাম?
I
এবার
had
এটা
known
কোয়েশ্চেন আবার, আমি কি তাদের যেতে দিতাম? একই সেন্টেন্সে would I have
would I have
Let
let
them.
them
Let them.
go?
let them go. If I had
Known?
if I had known
Would I have let them go? খুব সুন্দর
Oh,
এক্সপ্রেশন,
if I
এগুলো একটু
had
পড়ে নিই, এগুলো আমাদের